Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the Tozersis 12V 150A Marine Bus Bar. A power distribution block designed for boats, cars, RVs, and solar wiring systems. This product is engineered for high-performance electrical setups and promises both durability and safety for complex circuits. At the heart of the Tozersis bus bar is a 2.5 mm thick tinned copper plate. This ensures excellent conductivity while providing superior resistance to corrosion, making it ideal for harsh environments. The base is crafted from high-strength nylon, which is flame-retardant, heat-resistant, and impact-resistant, offering robust mechanical stability and safety under heavy load conditions. This power distribution block comes with 12 contacts and features 1/4-inch studs and No. 8 stainless steel screws for secure connections. The design includes a removable nylon protective cover, reducing the risk of accidental contact and helping prevent short circuits. Additionally, the external studs come with nylon lock nuts for an added layer of safety. The bus bar is rated for up to 48 volts DC and 150 amps continuous, supporting high-load applications like automotive systems, marine setups, and solar power distribution. Installation is straightforward thanks to the inverted buckle base and pre-threaded studs. You can mount it vertically or horizontally, and the bolt-through design at the bottom increases structural strength while minimizing vibration. Clear markings for positive and negative terminals make organizing cables easy. And the compact layout allows for neat and efficient wiring even in tight spaces. Compatibility is another strong point. The Tozersis bus bar works with 12 volts to 48 volts DC systems and can handle a variety of cable sizes. It's suitable for primary power distribution as well as accessory circuits, and it integrates well with inverters, batteries, fuse blocks, and switch panels. Whether it's a boat, an RV, a car, or a solar system, this bus bar can serve as a reliable central distribution point. The package comes ready to use with one positive bus bar, one negative bus bar, 2 protective covers, 2 copper lugs rated for 2 Aruban florins, and 24 ring terminals. This all-in-one kit allows for immediate installation and helps maintain a clean, professional, and safe electrical setup without needing additional parts. Overall, the Tozersis 12V 150A Marine Bus Bar combines high-quality materials, safety-focused design, and ease of installation to provide a dependable solution for managing power in demanding environments. Whether you're upgrading your car's electrical system, setting up a marine solar installation, or organizing circuits in an RV, this bus bar offers both performance and peace of mind. That's it for today's product critique. If you're interested in reliable, heavy-duty power distribution for your 12 volts to 48 volts DC system, the Tozersis Marine Bus Bar is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews.